सत श्री अकाल टुडे मेहमान पहुंचे ने कन्वर तंजल जी और एंड गेल माइल्स एंड शी इज रनिंग फॉर द वार्ड 7 and 8. This is a councillor. First of all, welcome to both of you. Welcome to the program.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
सत श्री अकाल. सत श्री अकाल.
Sasrikal.
सत श्री अकाल जी.
जी सत श्री अकाल कंवर तंजल. मैं गेल मैच लाया. आई एम बिग सपोर्टर ऑफ हर. थैंक यू.
So now, Gail, my first question is because I just want to ask about your background, right? So how long you are working for the community, and how many, how many, like the things you have done in the past? Can you just tell me the brief?
Surely. Yes, I've been a regional councillor for the city of Brampton for 26 years now.
Right.
And I've represented wards 7 and 8.
Yeah.
Those wards have changed over the years as the city of Brampton has grown. But the area that I represent starts at the 410 and basically extends to the east. It used to be to Airport Road, but in this new ward boundary alignment, my area now is extending over to the Gore Road. So there's quite a lot of new houses in the east part of the city between Airport Road and the Gore Road that are new residents that I will be representing if I'm re-elected to council.
First, my question is because you are in the Brampton from a long time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now our community has grown up a lot, right?
Yes.
So now you have seen a lot of people, Indian people, and other communities, right? A lot of signs over there, a lot of big competition. What do you think about that?
Well, I think it's only normal that the city of Brampton now, over 60% of our population,
Yes.
English isn't their first language, and certainly we are a diverse community,
Right.
and I do believe that Brampton Council should be representative of the community that is actually living there. So it's a positive thing. We're going to see a lot of change at Brampton City Council in the next term. We have quite a few councillors that are retiring, and what I hope to see a much more diverse council. I hope to see a lot of younger, well-educated
Right.
individuals from the diverse community that makes up the city of Brampton, so that we can best serve the needs of this community.
My personal question is like suppose there are 11, 12, 13 candidates are there, right? So I want to give you vote only. So why I will give you the vote?
Okay, well, that's a really good question. For regional council, there are 10 people running.
Right.
One being myself.
Right.
I have always been a leader
Right.
on Brampton Council and Regional Council, and I do have the trust of Regional Council. During the time that I have been on Regional Council, I have always held the position of chairman of one of the major portfolios at the region of Peel.
Right.
I was chairman of management committee for many, many years.
Very nice.
And during the last term, I was chair of human services.
Right.
At the city of Brampton, I was actually chair of economic development
Right.
and chair of corporate services, chair of budget committee
Right.
and audit committee. So that is an indication that I do have the support and confidence
With that
of the
So
people that I
yeah.
represent.
So my next question is to the same question is to the Mr. Dhanjal, right? So he's supporting you,
Uh-huh.
and the same question I'm going to ask from him. So if there are so many candidates over there, so which candidate you will pick and why?
ਸੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਆਲ ਗੋ ਫॉर ਗੇਲ ਮਾਈਲਸ.
Yes.
ਇਹਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ ਦੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ.
जी.
ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ.
Right.
ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ.
जी.
ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਅਪਰੋਚੇਬਲ ਨੇ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਰਜੀ ਕਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਈਮੇਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ.
Right.
ਜਦੋਂ
So you want to say like that sometimes the people they are elected, right? And when they will say so many promises on the TV and radio, and after that they disappear.
ਵੈਨਿਸ਼ਡ.
Okay, they vanish, right? So she is available always.
She is readily available. Yes.
Okay.
That is my personal experience. Plus ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਦੋਸਤ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਸੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਸੀਗੇ
Right.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਰੋਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਐਂਡ ਇਹਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ.
Very nice. And she came to my show also, and she used very nice words over there.
Yeah.
So she liked the show, and she like my son, the speech over there. Thanks a lot for coming too.
Oh, you're
yes,
welcome.
please. Yeah.
ਐਂਡ
was
ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼
my
ਹੋਰ ਕਹਿਣੀ
pleasure.
ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਸੀਗਾ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਖਜ਼ਾਨਾ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਖਜ਼ਾਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੇਲ ਮਾਈਲਸ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਪਾਈਟ ਆਫ ਦੈਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਕਾਫੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ
This
ਨੇ।
is the thanks to her and salute to her. Sometimes I'm totally agree with you.
Ji.
I don't want to mention any politician name.
Yeah.
Sometimes the people, they will come for a short time and they will sit over there and see the culture and the love. They don't have any language, right?
That's
You can
right.
see the vibration from there, and you can
Yeah.
feel the happiness, right?
Yes.
So the one
Yes.
small kid,
Yes.
1 year or 2 year old, and with the parents, they don't know the language, right? They just connected with the vibration of the love only, right? So she was sitting over there, you enjoyed the program, you came in the Indian suit, your nice pictures
Yes.
came over there,
Yeah, that
and
was,
thanks
that
a lot
was,
to you.
that was lovely. One of the things that I'd like to say about the show is you're right, when you're sitting in a show like the one I experienced that
Yes.
you put on, language doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
And you know, I'd been going through a very hectic time, of course, with the election. So I just found the whole evening was very spiritual. It was very loving. It was very entertaining.
And even, you know, like because for this is the first arrival program, so for the all, I think more than 800 plus people they came, and there was no ticket, no food cost. And my son, he's just in the grade 10, right?
He was amazing. I loved listening to him.
So I just want to convey this message to the all from that show, that we sometimes the blame to the kids.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have our faults also. We are not giving more time to the kids, so we're not watching the kids. When they're grown up, then they will say like, they just come to us. Then they said, at that time when we need you, you was not there, so why should I come now, right?
Yeah.
So they're not like a wax, you know, we can mold any shape to them, whatever we like, right?
And I think, you know, the city of Brampton, it is designated as a youth-friendly city, but we always have to pay attention,
yeah.
to our young people. We always have to look for ways to engage them in positive activities,
yes. Yeah.
to be positive role models for them.
Yes.
One of the things that I've always felt is that that we have a school in every neighborhood,
Yes.
and the school should actually be a community center.
Right.
So when school lets out, the schools should become the place for the community,
Yeah.
so that children are in a safe environment. The adults in the community
Yes,
are there
yes.
to set
Yeah.
a good example for
Yes,
them,
yes.
and they can socialize, they can be safe, they can have recreation, and they can do the kinds of things that they
Gil,
choose
nowadays
to
you're
do.
also listening, we are listening so many news about that, the kids suicide also, the drugs also, they are fighting over there. The main reason is what they have inside, they will take it out,
Exactly.
right? So this is my main message to the TV channel and to the my program, that the friends with the kids, they want the friendship.
That's
They
right.
want your, to have with them, but sometimes we miss the time, and that's why they will go to the wrong path.
Yeah, and you know, we fall short when it's dealing with our young people because we're not investing enough money
Yes.
in mental illness.
Yeah.
And I know people don't like the word mental illness, but you have to be able to detect with our young people
Yeah.
when something is wrong. And the best place for that to happen is in the schools.
Yes.
But the schools are finding that there isn't enough resources
Okay.
or referral services for them.
Yes.
So it's in that way, I say, if the neighborhoods and the community
yes.
was more involved with the young people, then
Yeah.
you'd have that early
Youth is very important.
detection.
Even in my show, I got very good compliment from every family. They said like we missed that why our kids, we didn't bring the kids with us. So
Yeah.
next time I like to make my booking over there.
Yeah.
19th September, you are my guest again over there.
Oh, lovely!
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah,
I'll be
19th
there.
September, and they said we are bringing our kids over there. So actually, I totally agree with you. If we will make the good, positive environment, right? So we will be
Yes.
making the positive neighborhood. So then we can make the good society in the small our world, right?
Yeah.
So next, my question is like nowadays we are getting so many seniors problem. So my personal question is, because when I will see from our community, so we just talk about only about the benches only. But the main thing is
Yeah.
because when our seniors, they are sitting for 2 hours, 3 hours. When we're getting old, we will go to the washrooms also, right? We want to use the
Yes,
washroom.
yeah.
And I also see like the ladies, the older ladies, they don't have the space, the separately, right? They just want to go to the washroom also. Do you have anything
Well, I've
Different
actually
plan.
been spending some time visiting some of the groups of seniors
Right.
that are meeting within the parks.
Yes, within the parks.
Especially.
Okay, you're going to door knocking. Yes. What are you getting the response from there?
Oh, from the door knocking. The door knocking is just, if I can go back to the seniors, because one of the things that the seniors are asking for very little,
Okay.
right? They want a place
Yes.
to meet.
Yeah.
They want to be able to socialize, talk to one another. They want a roof over their head, and they want washrooms.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
For the most part, that's
That's it.
all they're asking.
Yeah.
And I think one of the things that people have to understand is that this is a shift in culture
Right.
for us in the city of Brampton, because the seniors, the English, Irish, Scottish, who were new immigrants many years ago,
Right.
they do not gather and congregate in the way
Yeah.
that the South Asian seniors do.
Yeah.
But I do think it's the responsibility of the municipality
Yes.
to ensure that we meet their needs too.
Right.
So we are, this is something that I am going to absolutely be giving attention to. I've been meeting with the seniors,
Right.
talking to them about their issues, and I've had some of our leaders in our Parks and Recreation department
Yeah.
meeting with them as well. So it's top on my agenda.
See, main thing is because what I think, because when our their kids, right? So it's very important. They want to go to the jobs also. Why not, right?
Yes.
And now the elders, they are free now, right?
Yes.
If there's some small gyms are there, they are working over there. Their mind is shifted over there for the positive things, right? So then they're not feeling ill or sickness also. Sometimes they want to go back home also, right?
Yeah.
They don't have the good groups. If the bus service is very little bit cheaper, they can just go around, right? Right. So this is the. If do you have any plans about this one?
Well, the bus service today, any senior citizen can get on the bus for a loonie.
Okay.
When we met with the broader seniors organizations got together, and they talked to those people who were running for council about an integrated transit service,
Yeah.
so that they could get on a bus, and for one fare they could travel through Brampton and into other parts of the GTA.
Very nice.
So that's something we'll have to have a discussion about
Right.
during the next term of council.
So the main thing is because if our seniors are healthy, so we are healthy also, right?
And if seniors are happy,
In happy, yes.
they're healthy.
Yes.
So that's why it's so important for us to make sure, as I said.
So, Mr.
they're-
Kanjal, do you want to add something
yeah.
to this one?
ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਸੀਗੀ
ਜੀ।
ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਡੋਨਰ ਵੀ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੀ ਅਸੀਂ
Yes.
ਕੁਝ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇ
जी.
ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਅ ਗੁੱਡ ਜੋਕ
Okay.
15-20 ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ
हाँ जी. अच्छा, university. अच्छा, बुजुर्गों ने क्या?
ਹਾਂਜੀ
The elder people, they want university. Very nice.
ਜੀ।
Okay.
ਤੇ
They
ਇੱਕ
want a
ਦੂਸਰੇ
university.
ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਬਈ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਮਰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੁਣ
जी जी जी.
ਬਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਬੜਾ ਵੈਲਿਡ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਸੀਗਾ ਯੈਸ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਐਟ ਦ ਸੇਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਊਨਿਸਪੈਲਿਟੀ ਲੈਵਲ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਯੈਸ ਮਿਊਨਿਸਪੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੇ ਪੁਸ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਣਾ ਹੈ
See, Gail, in this country, what I like over here, right? So, but nowadays, our back home is also changing now. So over there, because I did the chemical engineering, so I was lecturer
Yes.
over there.
Yeah.
And over there, we think, okay, now you're 20 years, 25 years, you become a doctor, engineer, right? 30 years, now you get married, with children, you are gone for the life, right? Now, no more study, right? But in this country, whatever you want at any age, you can become. And I have seen so many people, I'm the registered.
Yeah.
I have seen the person, he's 75 years old, he's doing very good business with the builder.
Yeah.
And I will say, salute to him, and he's a young man, 74 years old. And now last year he told, I'm 75 and I'm planning to retire, not retiring. So this
Planning
is very good.
Yeah, opportunity certainly
Yes.
abounds in
Yeah.
the city of Brampton, and it doesn't matter if you are a member of
Yes.
in your family for education and arts and culture,
Yeah.
but our business community, we have more land available here in the city of Brampton,
Yes.
ready for new business to
Yeah.
come in.
Yeah.
And whatever you want to do, I believe the opportunity is there for you. The support is there for you through your municipality, through our economic development department.
Right.
And we have a priority to not only attract new business to the city of Brampton,
Okay.
but also to retain and help our businesses that are here.
But I think because of in the Brampton, they're like the more not businesses they are registered in the Brampton because the Mississauga, there are more businesses. The people they are planning to move. Some people they are from the Brampton because more taxes, more car insurance. Something you want to say?
In the city of Brampton or in Mississauga?
No, in the city of Brampton.
Oh, okay. Well, as far as car insurance goes, people keep asking me about that as I'm knocking on doors. And car insurance is, the insurance industry in Ontario is owned by the private sector.
Right.
And any kind of legislation around car insurance is going to happen at the province of Ontario.
Right.
It's not going to happen at the municipality. The other question you asked me about was taxes.
Yes.
Oh, I love to talk about taxes because what most people do not realize is that our tax system in Ontario is the same across the board. It's called actual value assessment, and it's based on how much your house is worth.
Okay.
So, but for the city of Brampton, a person who lives in executive housing, so a 3,000 square foot house or greater, your taxes in the city of Brampton are the lowest in the GTA. Mm-hmm. And if you are living in a property that is about 1,200 square feet, you are in the lower part of the scale for all of the Greater Toronto Area. So taxes in Brampton, comparatively to other municipalities, we are either the lowest or on the low end of the scale.
So anything you're planning about the safety?
Oh, safety. Safety is my passion.
Okay.
I started out in the early 1980s doing the first Neighborhood Watch program in the city of Brampton. I was the executive director for a vandalism prevention committee, and it was here that I really became interested in municipal government. And in 1988, I ran as a member of council. I have been involved in safety for over 30 years.
Okay.
One of the things I'm so proud of is the city of Brampton is recognized by the World Health Organization as an international safe city.
Very nice.
And that's because we have neighborhoods involved in community safety. We work the police, fire, ambulance, health department, parks and recreation, public works. Everybody works together to address safety issues and concerns in our city. And that's why we're recognized as an international safe city.
Very nice. Very nice. Anything we want to more add because you're a long time involved in the city, right? Anything
Yes.
you want,
Yeah.
new ideas, anything you want to convey to our all viewers?
I think one of the most important things that people have to realize when they go to vote this time is that municipal government is very complex. You'll be voting for a mayor, a school board trustee, a city councillor, and a regional councillor.
Yes, yes.
And a regional councillor actually serves on two governments, regional government and city government. And between the two levels of government, we are dealing with just under $4 billion of operating budget every year. It's very complex. We are dealing with police, fire, ambulance, housing, snow removal, parks and recreation, a large array of services. And it's so important that you do have some leaders on council that have the experience and the knowledge to make sure that our community has the services that they need, but they also have a tax rate that is
minimal.
not excessive. Nobody wants to pay more taxes, so it's always a balance between services and cost.
Right. So, Mr. Tanda, you want to add anything to the for any because you are helping, you are going for door knocking for the all the meetings, right?
Yeah.
So, what you are getting the feedback from the community?
नहीं पब्लिक का बड़ा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला जी सानू जिन्ने भी घरों च गए ना सब ने एप्रीशिएट किया है ते जिन्नियां तो प्रॉब्लम्स हैगियां ने उन्होंने दसियां सानू एंड ਅਸੀਂ ਰਾਤੀ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ
Right.
and today she already taken action
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Before re-electing, you studied action. Very
Yes,
nice.
she already taken action
Very nice.
to address the people issues
Right.
and public issues.
Okay. So anything you're planning to about the, because we are talking about the youth. I love the talking about the more about the seniors and the youth, because the youth is coming. That is our future, you know. Right?
Exactly.
If our youth is in the good hands, and if our seniors are in the good hand, then we are happy, right?
Exactly.
Any views about that one?
Well, I do think, as I said, I talked about youth being involved in community activities and
Right.
and needing positive role models. But you know, I think that the responsibility for young people has got to be
Right.
a shared responsibility. So no one in the community is exempt.
Right.
Right? So it extends from family to educators
Right.
to government to
All
yeah.
teamwork, right?
That's
all
right.
Teachers, the parents,
yeah.
neighborhood,
Our
city council,
gurdwaras,
our gurdwaras, our
temples,
right.
churches.
Yeah.
Everybody in the community needs to understand that. One of the other things, if we have 2 seconds for me to mention, is Wellspring Chinguacousy.
Okay.
Because Wellspring is a cancer support center in Brampton, and in 2004, I was diagnosed with cancer.
Right.
And it was
who?
myself,
Okay,
yes, I'm a cancer survivor.
Okay.
So my husband and I and some other leaders in our community.
Can I ask the question, which stage of the, because in the, I don't know medically much, but there's some stages, right? First stage, second stage, you was diagnosed with the cancer? Or?
I was diagnosed with breast cancer.
Oh, okay, okay.
And so for about a year, I felt like a year was stolen out of my life.
Okay.
But in Brampton, we didn't have anywhere for people to go. We didn't have a place. We have good medical treatment.
Okay.
But cancer is the kind of disease that impacts all members of the family. It impacts your friends, your coworkers. And we didn't have anywhere for supportive care.
Okay.
So myself and my husband and a few others, we formed a foundation.
Okay.
And
What's the foundation name?
It's called Wellspring Chinguacousy
Okay.
Cancer Support Foundation.
Okay.
And we did outreach to the community.
Yes.
And we had community groups and baseball teams and organizations.
Very nice.
Within 3 years, Wellspring was built. It's a 6,000 square foot facility at the corner of Torbram
And
Father Tobin.
okay, we live very close. Okay, that's
Yeah,
okay.
and people anyone in the community
Torbram
can
and
go
Father
there.
Tobin. Okay.
Yeah, free of charge.
Very nice.
Free of charge
Right.
if your family
Right.
is experiencing that. And for me, that's the greatest thing that I have
First
done
of all, I just want
as
like
a
to give you the
politician.
good luck and good wishes to you. And first of all, with your positive energy, because I read a lot of the things about the spiritual level and the positive energy, and we have because science has proven these things also. Whatever signals we
right.
will give to our body, the body start reacting with that one, right?
That's right.
So you are a winner of yourself also, first of all.
Yes.
And good wishes to you for the re-election also.
Thank
and we'll
you.
talk more sometime about also your society, cancer society, because we can give the more
Good.
feedback.
Good.
You have the good
Yes.
from invitation from our
Yes.
Sursagar TV, so we can talk more about that one.
And the South Asian community
Yeah.
needs more information
More
and
information,
education.
awareness about that
it.
one.
Yes.
And nowadays, I was reading the articles, because before we will just feel a little bit shy about they're talking about the ladies about the breast cancer. Nowadays, the community got aware, even that the men's also diagnosed from the chest.
Prostate
Yeah,
cancer,
yes. Yeah.
yes.
So that's why the knowledge and it's very important to talk about that topic, and I will invite you about that one also.
Good.
And thanks a lot, because the times run very fast, Time never stops,
So
right?
much to talk about.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
So
yeah.
from the inside, they have given time is over.
Okay.
So in the brief, you want to convey any message to the community?
I just want to thank you very much for giving me
Thanks for coming also
the
there.
opportunity
Yes.
to be here today, and just encourage the community to vote for Gail Miles, Regional Councillor.
GAEL.
Yes,
And
in-
miles.
in
Miles in the America, see the miles 60, miles
Yes,
75.
yes.
It's easy
But
to do.
also, you're entering the season of Diwali.
Yes.
And if I could extend my best wishes to all of the families in our community for a very happy and a very prosperous Diwali.
Nice.
And I hope to be joining you at some of your festivities in the next couple of weeks.
This is our culture, like our festival of happiness.
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy, the culture of lights, so
Uh-huh.
everywhere. So we want to give the good wishes to you.
Thank
and
you.
Taisa, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਂਡ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕੁਝ?
ਭਾਜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ ਸਭ ਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਸੁੱਸਾ ਕਰਦਾ
ਜੀ।
ਰਗਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ। ਐਂਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਲੈਟਸ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਿ ਗੇਲ ਮੈਲ ਰੀਇਲੈਕਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ
Yeah.
ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਲਈ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਜੀ।
Thank you very much. Once again, thanks to you. Thank you. very much.
Thank you.
और अगले हफ्ते सेम टाइम पे फिर मिलांगे। भुੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।